Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 应该. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读。应该，应该。So, listenable we know is final. In, go back, in. So first time in and g, g. I, g, I together. 该，应该 very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。First we write in 点横撇点点撇横 in and 该点横折提点横撇折撇撇点应该 means should. Oh, it's 9 p.m. You should go to sleep. 现在9点了，你应该去睡觉了。Okay, that's all about 应该. If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.